Okay, it's WIKISPEED uh, racing and LRW projects. Uh, Thursday, March 20th, first day of spring. Go ahead, Mike.
It's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Not much to report, and it's just the LRW that I'm reporting on. Well, basically, I have no progress. Next week, I am looking to uh, try get the Docker containers running for um, Raspberry Pi and for my Windows 10 computer, so that I have two different Docker containers that I'm trying to get running. One has all of ROS 1 and ROS 2, and the other one has just ROS 1 set up. And blocks, part-time job is taking more time than I thought it would be, and my motivation doesn't seem to be very high. I don't know why. We can talk about that on Crosstalk. Back to you.
Okay. This is Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, I looked at the website. Looked at the website a couple of days ago. Saw the update from Joe for the racing team. Um, I looked again at the recruitment ad, so I'm preparing something for the recruitment ad I'll send to Joe. Uh, and then I spent a little while trying to run the another image onto a different SD card. The RPI imager won't work. There's a much more direct way, the DD or something, to just put the image on, but it won't have the uh, it won't have the nice thing that didn't work, the um, network password and so forth. So I'm
Oh, actually,
and blocks are that I when I was so I also tested that recruitment thing, so and looked through the past things, and nobody responded to on the one maker forum where I wanted asked for a Docker person. Uh and then that got me off on a tangent, which was because I thought I didn't get the email, but I didn't look in social carefully enough. And then I thought I didn't actually. I discovered one of my Google accounts. I didn't have the password, so I straightened that out with Google. But as I do this stuff, it comes up. This kind of stuff comes up. So yeah, I actually that's what I would say about blocks is I just got I haven't paid a lot of attention to my systems at home. Uh, Normally I would have the router and be more on top of my accounts, but uh, that's a sort of a block I have to work through is just catch up with my computers and router at home. And so I'll go back to you for the retro.
hey, retro for me. I'm going to give myself a 1 out of 10 because I showed up to the meeting. I'm going to give the team, well, an 8 because normally I give 9, but that's when we have at least 3 people here.
Right.
So we'll go with 8 this week. And it sounds like you said that Joe finished his or has started at least his
All right.
web
Yeah.
web revamp. So I guess that was the improvement for last week. I don't have one for this week. Back to you.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll give myself a 6. No, I'm going to give myself an 8 because I did put some time in. And the team an 8, and process improvement. Uh, yeah, I don't know if this is a process improvement or just a task, but uh, keep looking for an easy way to for a way that anybody can get going with Raspberry Pi. And so that's mine, and probably I'll add the task to coming week that I would research what's going on with maybe a general search on collaborating with Ross and Raspberry Pi and see if there's anything new. And that's it for me. And I'm going to stop the recording.
Okay,
So last week we had the biggest meeting, but I'll stop the recording now, and then we can do crosstalk if needed.
okay.